Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
But the procedure is still the same, generating the purchase order through blanket purchase orders is what we are looking at now, correct? So the entire process is still the same. Looks like somebody must have enabled a workflow. Workflow is also not active, which is fine. I'll see why exactly this is happening for this item receipt. But what we have done with the other purchase order yesterday, we have done all the item receipts and vendor bills just like the way you have to do for this as well. And then coming to the reports. So if you go into the report overview, there are so many reports that you will see for purchases. So what the activity that you will do for today is go into these reports for vendors and payables. And purchase by vendor, purchase by item, purchase order receipt, open purchase orders. Just go by these, open all these reports. Let's say go to APG or you can go to purchase by vendor and you will be able to see all these reports. How many? By vendor by bread supply you have a 209.79. So you can click on that and it will open up a detailed view for you. There is a bill credit C3 439 is what we have done. And there is a bill credit for 459.93. Document for document number 11. All these things you will be able to see the transactions. For this month, these are the transactions. If you click on this and take week or month and then refresh. It works this way or you can take here and then refresh. Let's say you will take anything. You can select the last week to date or probably you can select last physical half. And if you click on refresh, it will give you the entire data which is there. So July to December, there was nothing. Last physical year is July to December. There is nothing, no transactions over there. So what you can do is probably change this to January 2024. And this to the present date, which is what? April. And then you can refresh. You will find the date over here. So please go through all these reports. AP Aging Report. What is AP Aging Report? These are the different buckets from March 4th to April synth. What is the open balance for this particular vendor? So 6,000 I'm supposed to pay. But why am I supposed to pay? If you click on this View Detailed Report, it will show you the bill credits or the purchase orders, whatever are there. It will show you what you need to make a payment. So this is how the finance team will actually work. Emerald Computer System. So if I click on this, it will show me what are all the transactions. We see there is a bill for 7050 which is overdue. So I can click on that and I can go to that particular bill and then make a payment from there. When you click on this, it will open the bill option that you have, and I can make a payment from here saying that this is due for me. I can make it 750 is due. When I click on make payment, it will take me to this particular screen wherein the bill gets selected, and then we are paying the Emerald Computer System. This is the vendor and we are paying from this particular account. Click on save. And if this payment has already been done outside of NetSuite, this is what will be done over here. Whenever you come here, you can take these aging reports that I have shown you and then do it. So this is a vendor by detail. Now, likewise, you have a lot of reports for your purchases, which is vendor by item. How many items did I put? What is the quantity of item that I purchased for each quantity? That will show. Purchase order register. You have open purchase orders. Only the purchase orders which are open will show up over here. Purchase order history. AP aging, AP history by bill, AP payments history by bill. So the open bills. Whatever bills are open. Now you can actually go here and then you will be able to see open bills over here. The report will get generated. Whatever is open, all the information will be visible, like the bill, the vendor, bill date and everything. And you can customize. As I have shown you last time, you can click on customize. And if you want to bring in a few more fields, like under open bills, maybe you want to have adjustment journal. You can bring it here. Or you want amount due. You can bring that option also here. Amount due. Then you can see. You can view and you will be able to see all the reports. I think we will stop it for today because we are done with the entire purchasing process. But before you join tomorrow, please go through all these reports and see how things are. Click on each report and see where exactly you are able to navigate. Are you able to open the vendor bill and everything, and you will understand how exactly the reporting structure works for you. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.